Hello everyone, I welcome you all in my new video. So let's start the analysis for today for the expiry day. So today 9th of June, it's an expiry day for Nifty and for Bank Nifty. So I'll share the levels which we are looking for. The levels are quite I was not sharing it from last 2-3 days because the levels remains quite the same. The market has given the movement like within the same range which we discussed, like which I have shared on Monday's video as well. So but I'll share again because today is the expiry day. So the levels for the Nifty, what I'm looking for is, as you can see here, this is inside this range what I have marked here inside this closed rectangle. So as you can see, the Nifty, if it doesn't give any movement above, so if we talk about today's expiry, so first let's talk about the intraday moves. So intraday moves, if we talk about, so first you can see yesterday was the RBI meet, so we have seen a good amount of fall in Bank Nifty after that, because so here also this effect, as you can see, this was because of the meeting, so the announcement which was going on, then we saw a good amount of rise in the market, and after that the market started falling down. So what levels we have to consider for today is like this one. So the first level which I have marked is 16,300 level. So Nifty is constantly taking support at this level. So this is an important level. So as you can see, the complete range which I have marked inside this rectangle, so this is an important level. So on the upper side as well, like I would suggest going, like if Nifty is able to sustain, now it will be around 450 levels, around 450 levels and above, we can think of going long in Nifty also. Otherwise Nifty seems to be bearish, and still it's this level will be a very critical level for today. We have to see whether if it breaks again in the intraday today, we can go short in Nifty. So this is the Nifty, and this level, as you can see, so this is on the weekly basis, still this levels remains the valid, so nothing has changed on that. So 16,600 and above, we are seeing more going long in Nifty, but Nifty, since it is still stuck in this bracket, so we cannot see a going long position in Nifty. So this is for now. If we talk about the strikes for intraday, so if as a option buyer or as an option, so for option buyer you have to check for momentum, that if it goes, like if we see a sharp fall from here 300 levels, we can go for buying at this levels, like option buying, like put buying at this level. And if you are an option seller, so maybe you can go, you can sell kind of calls at this. I would suggest selling call, because market is not at all able to sustain the levels. So this is for Nifty. Now let's see the analysis for Bank Nifty. So if we talk about Bank Nifty, so Bank Nifty also, as I mentioned, the levels remains quite the same which I have discussed in my previous analysis video. So as you can see, after the meeting or during the announcement itself, we got this big candle. So market tried to, Bank Nifty tried to touch around this levels, 35,400 levels, which it has tried almost 2 to 3 times this week. So but it was not able to sustain this level and immediately started coming down from this levels. So once Bank Nifty started coming down from this level, there was already short positions created because it couldn't sustain. So there was no chance that it could go revert from here and go above 35,400 levels. But we need to check that whether it crossed this one, this other support as well, that is of 35,200 levels, but it didn't sustain and then it came down immediately. So what we have to look for today is, we will first look at this level. So first immediate support what we are looking here is 35,800. Sorry, this is 34,800 because it has anyways broken the 3500 support. So 34,800 will be a major support, because you can see here it multiple times it tried to pick it from here. So this will be a major support. So if we get a flat opening today and it is not able to sustain this level and immediately comes down, we can create a sale position from here. But if we get a kind of a little bit of bullish opening and it goes up and tries, still we will not create any bullish position until and unless it's able to cross this levels 35 to 100 levels. So this is for the expiry day for today. So if you are an option seller, maybe you can very well sell calls above this 35 500, 35 400 levels. Put I would not suggest, but if you're an option buyer and if you see a sharp fall from this region, you can buy a put from this level. So this is the analysis for Nifty and Bank Nifty. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, you can subscribe to the channel. So thank you everyone, and see you again in my next video. Thank you.